Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best guitar amp is probably one of the most crucial pieces of gear for any electric guitarist, fundamentally shaping your sound and inspiring your playing, whether you're a beginner just starting your sonic journey or a seasoned pro chasing that perfect tone for the stage or studio. Making the right choice can elevate your musical expression to entirely new levels, transforming how your instrument truly sings. Number 5. Fender Frontman 10G Electric Guitar Amplifier. Experience the legendary Fender sound with this 10-watt practice amp. Its iconic mid-60s black panel look delivers quality tone at an accessible price point. Unleash a range of tones with its custom voiced overdrive. From warm tube-emulated sounds to intense distortion, it's perfect for blues, rock, and metal genres. This amplifier features a 6-inch Fender Special Design speaker. Its closed-back construction provides a heavier bass response, ensuring a richer, fuller tone in a compact package. Jam along with your favorite tracks using the 1/8 auxiliary input. For quiet sessions, simply plug in your headphones to its 1/8 output and practice silently. Dial in your perfect sound effortlessly with its straightforward controls. Gain, volume, treble, and bass knobs, plus an overdrive switch, make it user-friendly for all skill levels. Designed with unmatched quality, this amplifier comes with a 2-year limited warranty. Fender stands behind its craftsmanship, ensuring it's free from defects in materials and workmanship. What we like. This amplifier delivers that unmistakable classic Fender tone, perfect for capturing vintage sounds. Its custom voiced overdrive lets you explore everything from blues to heavy metal. If you're a beginner or need a reliable practice amp with iconic sound and silent practice capabilities, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Best Choice Products 39 inches Electric Guitar Starter Kit, Jet Black. This all-inclusive electric guitar starter kit provides everything you need to begin playing right away. It comes packed with essential accessories, so you won't need to buy anything extra. Designed for both beginners and intermediate players, this guitar is ready to rock straight out of the box. It effortlessly converts vibrations into a rich electric sound, allowing you to explore and create. Experience its sleek and sophisticated look, featuring a quality paint finish and custom black tuning pegs. The accented binding adds to its overall elegant design. Experiment with various styles and genres, from blues to rock, thanks to its adjustable sound features. The tremolo bridge system lets you bend the pitch as you play, or use the removable whammy bar for dynamic effects. Crafted with a composite fretboard and maple neck, it delivers a rich, authentic rock sound. Its 3 single-coil pickups and tremolo bridge system ensure a powerful and versatile performance. What we like. This is a truly all-inclusive package, providing everything you need to start playing right out of the box. It's designed with beginners in mind, making your first steps into electric guitar easy and enjoyable. If you're an absolute beginner looking for a hassle-free entry into the world of electric guitar, this complete kit is your perfect starting point. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted. Number 3. Rockville G-Amp 20W Guitar Amplifier Combo. Experience robust sound with its powerful 20-watt output. Its 6.5-inch speaker delivers crisp, dynamic audio, making it ideal for both practice sessions and intimate performances. Connect effortlessly with its integrated Bluetooth. You can wirelessly stream your favorite backing tracks or play along music directly from your smartphone or other compatible devices. Add a new dimension to your sound with its built-in delay effect. It provides spacious, ambient depth, helping you craft truly professional-sounding performances. Jam with a friend or teach a student using its dual guitar inputs. This feature offers great flexibility for practice or setting up duo sessions. This amplifier boasts a versatile design, including clean overdrive channels and a 3-band EQ. It also features a headphone jack, carry handle, and durable metal corner protectors for easy transport and protection. What we like. This amp stands out with its convenient Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to wirelessly stream backing tracks for practice or jamming. It also features a built-in delay effect to add professional depth to your sound, and dual inputs for playing with a friend. If you're looking for a versatile practice amp with modern connectivity and effects for jamming or small performances, this one is hard to beat. What people say. Number 2. LEKATO Guitar Headphone Amp. Practice your guitar without disturbing anyone. This handy gear lets you adjust the output volume, so you can jam with your favorite tracks late into the night. Connect your mobile phone or other Bluetooth devices to stream background music wirelessly. Simply search for B6 to connect and play along. Explore 5 classic guitar effects: clean, overdrive, chorus, distortion, and wah. It's suitable for electric guitar, bass, and electric acoustic guitars, enhancing your sound. Want to share your sound? You can also connect it to external speakers using the included 3.5mm to 6.35mm audio cable for a louder output. This mini amplifier is incredibly compact, allowing you to play your guitar anywhere with just headphones and a phone. Its 180-degree swivel plug ensures compatibility with various guitar jack positions. Enjoy over 8 hours of continuous playing thanks to its built-in rechargeable lithium battery. It ensures your practice sessions are long and uninterrupted. What we like. This compact device is a game-changer for silent practice, letting you play anytime, anywhere without disturbing others. It comes packed with 5 classic guitar effects, offering a wide range of tones in a tiny package. If you prioritize quiet practice, portability, and having multiple effects on the go, this headphone amp is an indispensable tool. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted. Number 1. Pyle 39 Electric Guitar Kit with Amp. This kit comes with a versatile practice amplifier. It offers full control over your sound and even a headphone output for silent practice. Plus, it's portable and lightweight, making it perfect for any location. Experience a richer, clearer sound with its dual humbucker pickups. These are designed to eliminate noise and interference, giving you a deeper, louder, and smoother tone. It truly elevates your playing experience. Crafted from high-quality materials like solid poplar wood and Canadian maple, this instrument is built for durability. Its glossy finish and robust construction ensure it stands up to regular use without scratching. You can rely on its lasting quality. This comprehensive starter kit provides everything a beginner needs. It includes the full-scale guitar, amplifier, cables, a gig bag, and all essential accessories. You'll be ready for lessons, practice, or even performances right out of the box. Easily shape your sound with its intuitive rotary controls for volume and tone. The 3-way pickup selector allows you to switch between different humbucker configurations. This gives you complete control over your instrument's voice. What we like. What sets this kit apart is its dual humbucker pickups, which provide a deeper, louder, and smoother sound with less noise interference. Crafted with quality materials like solid poplar wood, it offers a durable and reliable instrument. If you're a beginner who values a richer, more powerful sound from the start and wants a complete, well-built starter package, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.